Hello everyone, welcome to today's podcast episode. My name is Shraddha Desai, and today we are going to talk about a topic that every single one of us uses in our daily life, but most people don't fully understand it. We are talking about cloud computing. To help us understand this clearly and simply, we have our friend Pranali with us today. So, welcome to the show, Pranali.
Thank you so much, and I'm really glad to be here. And yes, the cloud computing sound like a big technical word, big technical term. But if we break down into the step by step, you will see that it is actually very easy and simple to understand.
That is exactly what I am looking forward today. So let us start from very beginning in simple words. What is cloud computing?
Sure. Let me give you the very simple example. Think about your phone. When you take a photo, it get saved into the Google Photos. Now, even if you lost your phone or it get damaged, your photo are still safe. You can open your Google Photos on another laptop or phone. So where the actually photos are stored, not on your phone. These photos are stored into the big or powerful computer, which is owned by the Google or somewhere far away. This is called the computer. This is called the cloud.
Oh, I see. So the cloud is basically using someone else's powerful computer over the internet instead of storing everything on your own devices.
Exactly, and the same idea is applied to the business. Instead of buying their own expensive server and computer, companies can use the cloud server over the internet. They pay only for how much they are using. Just like electricity bill every month, we cannot generate the bill in our home. We just pay how much we use.
That is very clear way to understand it. And how big is this cloud industry right now?
It is a very large in 2024. The global cloud market is valued around the $600 billion. About the 94% of the large company are already using the cloud technology.
Those are impressive numbers. So clearly businesses are seeing real benefits from cloud. Let us talk about what does these benefits actually are.
There are six main reasons or benefits of the cloud computing. The first and most important benefit is a cost saving. With the traditional IT companies has to buy the physical server, maintain them, and hire the people to manage them, which is the huge investment. With the cloud, there is no hardware to buy. You simply the pay how much you use.
So it is like moving from buying a car to using a cab service. You only pay when you need it.
That is a very good comparison. The second benefit is the scalability. Let me give you one simple example. Imagine you run your shopping website on the regular basis. The 500 people are visit on your website, but on the big sale like Diwali, sudden 10k people are visit at the same time. If you have your own server, it will crash. But in the cloud, the system are automatically handle the extra load, and once the sale is over, it scale down. You just pay extra for extra hours.
That is really smart. You are paying for exactly what you need when you need it.
Precisely. The third benefit is the security. Many people are worried about putting their data into the internet or cloud, but the cloud providers like Amazon, Google's are invest the billion of the dollar to keeping the data safe. For small and medium business, cloud is actually secure and managing their own servers.
This is reassuring. What about accessing your work from different places?
This is the fourth benefit, accessibility. With the cloud you can access your data whenever you need it, and anywhere in the world. Your laptop on the your laptop at a home, your phone at a traveling, any device. The fifth benefit is the disaster recovery. Even if goes wrong, like fire, bloat on your office, your data is completely safe on the cloud. And the sixth benefit is the speed. You can launch your new app or website in the minute, not the month or year.
So cloud gives you lower cost, easy scaling, strong security, access from anywhere, data safety, and fast launches. That is a very strong case. Now I keep hearing the terms like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Can you explain what this means?
Of course, there are simply three different level of the cloud services. Let me explain using the simple example, pizza. Imagine you want to eat the pizza. You have the three options. Option 1, you make it completely at a home. You can buy the all ingredient which require for the pizza, like buy the tomato sauce, flours, the cheese, and everything. You use your own oven. It means you have the full control over everything. But it require full efforts from your side. This is the IaaS, means infrastructure as the services. And option number 2, you go to the restaurants that give you the top already prepared and oven ready. You just add your topian and cook it. Someone can set up the basic for you, but you still make the important decision. This is the PaaS, platform as a service. And option 3 are you order the pizza online and it arrive at the door, ready to your door. You do not cook anything, you just use it and enjoy. This is the SaaS, means software as a services.
That is a brilliant way to explain it. So IaaS gives you a raw infrastructure to build on. PaaS gives you ready platform to develop on, and SaaS is just a ready to use software. So let's go deeper into each one. Let us start with IaaS. What does it actually give you?
IaaS gives the basic building blocks of the computing over the internet. It gives the virtual computer, storage space, internet connections. I will give you the simple example. Think of like rating and renting an empty plot of the land. The providers only give you the land, and you build your own house exactly the way you want. You choose the operating system, you download the software, you manage the everything above the hardware level.
And who typically uses IaaS?
Mostly the large companies, IT teams, and DevOps engineers, people who are technically very strong and need to full control over their system.
Can you give me a real-time example of this service?
The real-time example of IaaS is the Netflix.
Okay. So we will continue with the PaaS service.
PaaS is a take one step further terms of the SaaS. As IaaS, with the PaaS, the provider does not just give you the infrastructure; they give you the complete platform, ready-made used to platform to users build the project and deploy the project. I will give you a simple example. Think of it like renting the fully furniture apartment. The furniture is already there, the kitchen setup is there, everything is placed. You just go and start living. You do not build anything from the starting.
So a developer using PaaS does not have to worry about about managing servers at all.
Not at all. The developer simply write the codes. The platform are automatically handle scaling, security, updates, system maintenance. For example, Spotify.
Okay. Can you give me one example? Then we will continue with SaaS.
Software as a services, yes. And then it what make a SaaS. then it make a very interesting. Software as a services means the software is already built, already running on the cloud, and you simply use it. There is nothing to install, nothing to set up or update. Or you just open your browser, log in your account, and start using this.
Okay, like Gmail, for example.
Yes, Gmail is the perfect example of the software as a services. You do not install the Gmail on your phone or laptop. You do not maintain or update the Gmail. You simply go to the gmail.com and use it. The Google manager the Google manage everything in the background, the storage, the security, and the update. Other everyday SaaS product, including the Zoom, Slack, Dropbox, Google Docs, and Microsoft Teams.
Okay. So that is very convenient. Now, if someone is deciding which model to use, how do they make that decision?
This decision is actually quick, straightforward. You just need to ask yourself three questions. How much technical knowledge does my team have? How much control do I need? And do I want to build something new, or I do just need ready software? If you have the strong technical team and need a full control, choose the IaaS, infrastructure as a services. If you have the developer, you want to build the application quickly without managing the server, then you choose the PaaS, platform as the services. If you simply need to the software that work right away, then you choose the SaaS, software as a services.
And in terms of how quickly you can get started,
IaaS can take hours or even a day to fully configure. PaaS get running in a minute, and SaaS is immediately you create that account and you are ready.
that is very clear comparison. Now let us move to another important topic. Where exactly does the cloud live? And I have heard terms like public cloud and private cloud.
Good question. The service models we discuss, infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, software as a services. Tell you what type of the cloud services we use. Deployment model tell where your cloud is hosted. There are mainly three types: public cloud, private cloud, and a hybrid cloud.
Let us start with public cloud.
Public cloud is like a bus service. The bus is available to everyone. You just pay for the ticket and traveling. You do not owner of this bus. You do not maintain it. The server providers does this. In the cloud terms, providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud own and manage the large data centers, and many different companies share their resources. It is the most affordable and scalable option.
And what is the downside?
Since the environment is shared, you have the slightly less control. Companies that handle the every sensitive data like patient data, online transaction, banking information. It may not comfortable with the shared document.
So what do those companies do instead?
These use the private cloud. Private clouds like having your own private vehicles. Only organization use. You have the complete control, maximum security, and full customized. It is used in a bank, hospital, government agency. Prefer private cloud because there is a data. These data are slightly sensitive and it required for the security. And compliance. The downside is that it is significantly more expensive. You are essentially building and managing your own cloud setup.
And hybrid cloud?
Hybrid cloud is a combination of the both private cloud and the public cloud. The company keep it is most sensitive data such as the financial record, medical information on the private for security, and it uses the public cloud for everything else, the company website, emails, day-to-day tools. This way you get the strong security where it matters most, the and cost savings where you can affordable flexibility tools like Azure, AWS, Output. It helps the organization to manage the both environment together. The main challenges in the managing it two systems at the same time and can be complex, but for large organization it is the best approach.
That makes a lot of sense. Let us now look at how cloud is being used in real industries around us.
Cloud are present in almost every sector today. In the healthcare, allows hospitals uses the AWS for patient records and run the AI-based diagnostics. A doctor in one city can access the patient data, medical history from the another city at the real time. This cloud is directly impacting patient care.
That is genuinely life saving.
In the education platform like Coursera, Google Classroom run entirely on the cloud. During the COVID, millions of the students are shifted to the online learning, online practically overnight. Cloud handle the sudden surge in demand without any dispersion. In the e-commerce, Flipkart, Amazon, massive spikes in the traffic during the big sale event. Cloud scales up automatically to handle the Coursera of simulation users. So the website is never crashes and it power real time inventory tracking and personalized product recommended as well. In the banking, SBI uses the Microsoft Azure for faster transaction, AI power fraud detection and the secure core banking operation. In the media, in media, Hotstar streams IPL watches over the 5 crores viewers simultaneously. And in the government, India digital lockers runs on the cloud, allowing citizens to store and access the important document like Aadhaar card, driving license, and certification from their mobile phones anywhere.
So, cloud is truly present in healthcare, education, banking, e commerce, media, and government. It is all around us. But are there any challenges with cloud as well?
It is important to have the balanced view on the benefit side. Cloud offers significant cost reduction, global accessibility, automatically software update, high reliability, and the ability to advance the technology like AI, machine learning without heavy investment. However, there are challenges as well. The first is the data security and the privacy. When your data is stored on somewhere else server, there is always level of the trust involved. You need to carefully choose the reliable providers. The second is the vendor lock-in. Once you entire the system is built on your internet connection goes down, you lost the access to your cloud servers. And the fourth is the cost management. If not monitoring the carefully, the cloud cost can become so unpredictable.
So, the message is cloud is very powerful, but it requires a proper plan before you move to it.
Exactly. Choose the right server model, the right deployment model, keep the close eye on cost, and ensures your data is secure. Plan is in plan done correctly. Cloud is a true game changer for any organization.
This has been a very informative and clear discussion. Before we close, could you give us 5 key points that every listener should remember from today?
Of course, to summarize clearly, point 1, IIS gives you the maximum control. You receive the infrastructure and build everything yourself. It is ideal for IT teams and large tech companies. Netflix is a strong example of the IIS. The point 2, PaaS platform as a services is build a developer. The platform is ready. Users only they build the project and deploy your application. Spotify is the great example of the platform as a services. Point 3 is the SaaS, software as a services. SaaS is for everyone. It is a ready to use software that does not require installation. Example Gmail, Zoom, and Salesforce for all SaaS products. Point 4 is a deployment model. defines where your cloud is live. Public cloud is shares and cost efficient. Private cloud is the secure and dedicated, and hybrid cloud is the combination of the private cloud and public cloud. And point 5 is the preface, the most important. Cloud computing is not something coming in the future. It is already here right now. It is operating in every hospital, bank, e-commerce, and platform and future. It is already right now. And government services around you. Understand the cloud give you the real advantages in the today's world.
I love that last point. Cloud is not just the future, it is the present. That is a very powerful way to close. To all our listeners, I hope today's conversation has made cloud computing feel clear, simple, and relevant to you. It really is something everyone should understand. A big thank you to our friend for explaining every concept so clearly and in such a simple way. It was wonderful session.
Thank you so much. It was a great conversation and everyone listen. The best way to understand the cloud is to start using the Gmail, Google Drive, Zoom. If you are using any of this, you are already in cloud users. Keep learning and more you understand the technology. This more doors open for you.
Wonderful advice to end on. That is all for today's episode. If you found this helpful and useful, do share with your friends and classmates. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and take care. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you so much.